Today I'm going to show you a quick run through of the 1998 Ford Mondeo that I was commissioned to do by a client, and it's going to be a roundabout way. It's a little bit messy tree, but it gives you an idea of what trouble I went through here. The car came out really well, and I hope to still actually do some work on it. But here we are in the main tree here, and I'm going to go to the first loft. I did all this just from photographs, and I took the outside shape and two profiles. If I open this up, I can kind of show you the different profiles: center profile, the outside profiles of the car, and I actually used a number of 3D sketches and that kind of thing to produce this loft. And then a secondary loft was made to for the sides, and along with a bunch of 3D lines to give its shape. Actually, I could get into I'll get into more on my Patreon page, how to set this all up, if you're interested. But that was my the three main lofts, center and two sides. Then I started doing some design work for the bumper, etc. I'll just pull some stuff down here and show you what I did. I ran the profiles and did some cutouts for the windows, for the front grille, for the lights, and that gave me at least a good idea of what the car was going to look like. Then coming down to the tree, I pulled out the glass, shape of the glass, front and back. I pulled it from the bottom. Shelling can be an issue if you've got very tight areas. I wanted to do it in one piece. I don't want a whole bunch of little pieces to have to glue together. It works better as a slot car, and it's a lot stronger if it's not a whole bunch of pieces. So this is a very difficult way to do it, but I think it's produces a very more robust car in the end. So I'll zip down here. You'll see quickly here what I've done. I'll just pull the tree down. There I've actually shelled a little more areas out, took the trunk out, with lights out for the back. This side I've actually done the little side mirrors as one piece, put some reflection there for glass, and that's just in SolidWorks materials. So I'll pull down again here. And you can see I'm starting to pull away the interior, leaving stuff that I want to keep. What I want to do is produce an interior that can lock in. So I'm just slowly taking away areas and keeping stuff that I think is going to be good for the design. I'm going to zip down here a little farther. The interior is gone out of it now. I've actually put in a little roll bar. I want to stiffen up the edges and stuff just in case the car comes off the track and hits the ground. So I put a little roll bar in. Basically, it puts more material in those areas. It looks pretty cool too from the interior, but it also gives it a better use. And when you're printing in a 3D printer, this can pretty much do anything in a 3D printer. So it's not you're not really held back by the things that you do. Not like you're putting it out of a mold. So okay, now I'll pull this down again a little farther. I'm starting to build a body now with all the different fillets and stuff like that. You'll see it develop. You're starting to see fillets and stuff. Cleaning up the body work. I've actually put in the trunk lid and the flash for the Ford Motor logo. And I'll zip down here right to the end maybe. Looks like I got an error in a fillet there. I got to clean up, and now I've actually started putting in a boss. These are bosses I put in to hold a chassis, and also I put in a draft in here. So what I've done is this overextends out beyond the car. Of course, the body interior is going to come in here, and it's going to get locked in by some lights that I'm going to put in here that undercut. And I've got a little slot here. So the interior is going to snap into this, and then it's going to lock, the back end is going to lock in with the lights here, and I'll show that to you in another video. But that's pretty much it until I come down here to finish up the rest of the build. There it's scaled up. I just scaled it so that the wheelbase is right, and that's pretty much the car. It's got holes in here now for a rear wing too. It fits in snug, and that's the Mondeo. Thanks for watching. Again, it's